Welcome to Rekha's EduGrid. I am Mrs. Rekha, Assistant Professor, Government Arts and Science College, Valparai. Today I am going to discuss about the topic factors affecting price elasticity of demand. And also this is the last topic in the second unit of managerial economics. Before going to the section, you have to understand the concept what is price elasticity of demand, then degree of price elasticity of demand, types of price elasticity of demand, then what is elastic and inelastic. I have already explained about this concept in the previous videos and the link is given at the end of the video. Let us now move ahead. What is elastic? When there is change in demand due to the change in price, it is said to be elastic. And what is inelastic? When the price increases, there will be no change in the demand. So when there is no change in the demand due to the increase in the price, it is said to be inelastic. Elasticity of demand or price elasticity of demand, it is influenced by following factors. That is substitutes, nature of commodity, joint demand, number of users, postponement, then raw materials and finished goods, price level, income level, habits and time. So one by one I'll explain. First one is substitutes. Demand is elastic for those goods which have substitutes and it is inelastic for those goods which have no substitutes. For instance, tea and coffee are substitutes. The change in the price of tea affects the demand for coffee. So the demand for coffee and tea is elastic. So from this we can understand that if there is a large number of substitutes, then there will be more elastic. If no substitute, then there will be less elastic. Next factor is nature of commodity. So all commodities, it can be divided into three categories. That is necessary, conventional and luxury commodities. First one is necessary. Necessary goods such as rice, salt, cloth are purchased whether they are dear or cheap. For necessary of life, the demand is inelastic because people buy the required amount of goods whatever their prices. Next one is conventional necessaries. I have given this image as an example for conventional necessaries, like as the people are accustomed to the use of goods as they buy the same amount even when their prices are higher and highest. So the demand for conventional necessary is less elastic or inelastic. Next is luxury commodities. Demand for luxuries like silk, perfumes and ornaments, it increases at lower price and diminishes at higher prices. So the demand for luxury is usually elastic as people buy more of them at lower price and less at a higher price. So we must keep in mind that luxury, it varies from person to person, place to place and even from time to time. The next factor which influences elasticity of demand is joint demand. The demand for one commodity leading to the demand for another commodity is known as joint demand. For example, car and petrol. Without petrol, the car will not run. So, car and petrol, it is jointly demanded. Well, if the demand for car is inelastic, then the demand for petrol will also be inelastic. Next factor is number of uses. Demand is elastic if commodity has large uses, and it is inelastic when the commodity is for few uses. As coal has multiple uses, if its price falls, it will be demanded more for cooking, heating and industrial purpose. But if its price rises, minimum will be demanded for every purpose. The other factor for elasticity of demand is postponement. There are some goods which can be postponed. So the demand is more elastic for the goods, the use of which it can be postponed. For example, if the price of silk rises, its consumption can be postponed. But the demand for silk is therefore elastic. And there are some goods which cannot be postponed. So demand is inelastic for those goods the use of which is urgent. For example, the use of medicine, it cannot be postponed. The demand for medicine is inelastic. The other factor for elasticity of demand is raw material and finished goods. The demand for the raw material is inelastic, but the demand for finished goods is elastic. For instance, raw cotton has inelastic demand, but the cloth has elastic demand. Next factor is price level. So it depends upon the goods which is costly and inexpensive. The demand is elastic for moderate price, but it is inelastic for lower and higher prices. That is, for example, the rich and poor do not bother about the prices of the goods that they buy. For example, rich buy Banaras silks and diamonds at any prices, but the poor, they buy rice, cloth, whatever their prices are. Therefore, for costly goods it is highly elastic, and for inexpensive goods it is inelastic demand. Income level is 2, that is high and low. The rich people with their higher income do not bother about the price. They may continue to buy the same amount whatever the price. For high level it is less elastic, and for the low level income it is highly elastic. If small change in the price, it brings a high demand also. Next factor which influence elasticity of demand is habit. If the consumers are habituated of some commodities, the demand for such commodities will be usually inelastic. It is because that consumer will use them even the prices goes up. For example, a smoker does not smoke less when the price of the cigarette goes up. So there can be addictive and non-addictive habits. Those with addictive habit is less elastic, and for non-habit it is high elastic. And the last factor which influences the elasticity of demand is time. The demand for a commodity, it is always related to some period of time. It can be short run and long run. In case of long period, elasticity of demand will be elastic, while in short period it will be inelastic. This is due to the fact that during short period the demand, it does not change immediately due to the price change. However, the demand changes in the long period because there is enough time to adjust to the changing environment. And thus the factors that determine elasticity of demand are numberless. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.